Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you, children. So if you have science textbook, please take that science textbook and open page number 53. So in that page number 53, the lesson name is varieties of food. So that is lesson number 6. So lesson name is varieties of food. So I am going to read, listen carefully. After studying this lesson, you identify the food items available through plants and animals, identify the different food habits at home, name the food that we eat raw and cooked, name the utensils used for cooking, recognize the food of the animals. So these all are in this lesson. You know that food is very essential for us. You eat food every day. Tell what happens if you do not eat food. So children, you all will eat everyday food. So if you won't eat food, what will happen? So we will die with hungry. Now children, yes. Here there are some pictures. They are given. Look at the food grains and vegetables given below and say where they are got from. So here they are given some pictures about food grains and vegetables. So from where do we get these vegetables and food grains? We must say rice, wheat, maize, jawar, dal, green gram. So these all food items we get from plants, no children. Rice we get from plant, wheat also we get from plant, and maize from plant, jawar, dal, green gram, all we get from plants. No, this is all food grains. Okay children. In the next page, ragi, millet, beetroot, banana, Bengal gram, cabbage, cucumber, brinjal, potato, snake gourd, lady's finger, pumpkin, bitter gourd, radish, greens. So in this picture, ragi, millet and Bengal gram they are food grains. So which are food grains in this picture? Ragi, millet and Bengal gram. So they are food grains. And which are vegetables? Beetroot, cabbage, cucumber, brinjal, potato, snake gourd, lady's finger, pumpkin, bitter gourd, radish, greens. So these are all vegetables, and banana is a fruit. So this all we get from plants. No children? So where do we get from? So we get this and all these vegetables and food grains from the plant. Okay children? So I will repeat once again. Ragi, millet, beetroot, banana, Bengal gram, cabbage, cucumber, brinjal, potato, snake gourd, lady's finger, pumpkin, bitter gourd, radish and greens. So this all we get from plants. Okay children? Next. Here also some pictures are there. So tomato, mango, apple. So tomato and mango is a vegetable and apple is a fruit. So this also we get from plants. Next down they are given, look at the pictures, say from where we get these items. So in the first picture they are given eggs. So where do we get eggs? So we get eggs from hen. So it is a animal. So we get from the animals. Next is meat. So where we get meat from? Where do we get meat? So we get meat from goat, sheep. So it is also comes from animals. Next they are given fish. So this is also a meat. So we get from fish, this meat. Next is milk. So where do we get from milk? So we get the milk from cow. So it is also an animal. So these all food items we get from the animals. Okay children? Next. Some pictures of food items are given below. Put a dot in green color for the food we get from plants and put a dot in red for the food we get from animals. So I have colored with red ink and green. So you must also do in your textbook like this only. So first one is rice. So rice we get from plants. So you must keep a dot with green color for that one. Next is fish. So it is also we get from animals, the food from animals. So put a dot with a red color pencil. Next is brinjal. So brinjal where do we get? So we get from plants. So put a dot with green color pencil. The next line P means kalu. So where do we get from that? So we get that piece from the plants. So put a dot with green color pencil. So milk. Next is milk. So where do we get from? So we get from the animal. So put a red dot there with red color pencil. Next is black pepper. So this is mensu. So we get this from plants. So put a dot with green color pencil. Next is lady's finger. Lady's finger means bendekai. So this also we will get from plants. So put a dot with green color pencil. Next is meat. So meat we get from the animals like sheep, goat and hen and all. So put a dot with red color pencil. Next is chili. So we get this from plants. So put a dot with green color pencil. Chili means menshinkai. So next is curds. Curds means mushroom. So this curds we get from animals. So put a dot with red color pencil. Next is cucumber. So this cucumber means sautekai. So we get this one from the plants. So put a dot with green color pencil. Next is greens means sopu. So this also we get from the plants. So put a dot with green color pencil. Next is tea. So you drink tea, coffee and all, no? So we will get this one from the plants. So put a dot with green color pencil. Next is maize means jola. So this also we get from the plants. So put the dot with a green color pencil. Next is ragi. So this also we will get from the plants. So put a dot with green color pencil. Okay children. So which we get from animals, we must put the dot with the red color, and which we get from plants, so you must put a dot with green color pencil. Okay children. Next, write the food items used at home in the following groups. So food materials obtained from plants. So what are all the things we use at home from plants? So what are the food items we prepare and we keep at home? We must write there in the dash. So food materials obtained from the plants. So we get food items from plants are rice, pea, cucumber, greens and ragi. So rice, pea, cucumber, cucumber, greens, greens, ragi. So these are the food materials obtained from plants. Next, food materials obtained from animals. So which are the food materials we get from animals? So I have written there egg, egg, meat, meat, milk, milk. So these are the food materials obtained from the animals. So we get from the animals. Okay, next, you know that food items are usually cooked before eaten, but there are some food items which could be eaten raw. So some food items we cook and eat. Still some food items we will eat like that only. So Which are that one? They are given the picture here. So first picture is carrot. So carrot, if you eat carrot, it will be to be healthy. It is eaten raw. So if we eat raw, we will be healthy. Ange tindre healthy agi irtivi carrot na. Next is tomato. Tomato, tomato. It is very tasty if it is eaten raw. So if we eat like that only, it will be very tasty. Tomato na ange tindre tumba tasty agi irutte. Next, radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish means mulangi. It is a little hot, but people like to eat it raw. Do you also eat it raw? So it will be, if you eat, it will be very hot, little hot. So but people also will like to eat. So ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖಾರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸು ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next, what is that? So it is a apple. So it is a fruit. A-P-P-L-E, apple. If you eat it daily, you will be healthy. Do you know this? So if you eat apple daily, you will be healthy. So apple na dina tindre ನೀವು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. Next is cucumber, means ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ. If you eat this one, you will be happy if it is in your meal, won't you? So ನೀವು ತಿನ್ನೋವಾಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡ್ತೀರಾ. So you will be happy if it is in your meal, means lunch or dinner. Next is banana. So banana is a fruit. So everybody likes it. It is very tasty. So every people likes it. So I think you will also like the banana, and it is very tasty, no children? So they given here, name the food item you eat raw. Still, which food item it is raw that you will eat, you must mention there. Okay children? Next, name 5 food items which you eat raw and 5 cooked items you eat. So in the first, food items which you eat raw. So ಹಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದು ತಿಂತೀರೋ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ is carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Second one, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Third one, radish. R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. Fourth one, cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. Fifth one, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. So these are the food items which are eaten raw. So ಹಂಗೆ ಹಸಿಯಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟು, ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ, ರ್ಯಾಡಿಶ್, ಕುಕುಂಬರ್, ಬನಾನಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಕುಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಟ್. ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಯಿಸಿ ತಿಂತೀರಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀಟ್. M-E-A-T, meat. Second, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Third, egg. E-G-G, egg. Fourth, vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Next is milk. M-I-L-K, milk. So these are the food items which you cook and eat. Children, which is your favorite food among the ones you had mentioned above? Why? So which is your favorite food and why it is your favorite, you must write there. So if you take carrot, so it is good for health and it is your favorite food, I think, and it is good for eyes and skin. And banana, it is healthy for us and it is a fruit. You know? It is good for health to eat vegetables like carrot, radish and cucumber raw. So if you eat these vegetables raw, it is good for our health. ಈ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. But they should be washed neatly before eating. So before eating, these all vegetables must be washed and afterwards you must eat. ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಳೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. Okay children? So still lessons are there. I will continue in the next class. Okay children? So, shall I ask some questions, children? So, which are the food grains that you eat? So, the food grains that we eat are rice, wheat, jowar, maize, green gram, ragi, millet. So, which are the vegetables, children, you like? So, beetroot, banana, cabbage, cucumber, brinjal, potato, pumpkin, radish, bitter gourd. Okay, children? So, name some food items that you eat raw, children. So, the food items that you eat raw are carrot, tomato, radish, cucumber and banana. Next, the food items which we cook and eat, children. So, the items which we cook and eat are meat, fish, egg, vegetables and milk. So, before eating what the vegetables, what you must do, children? So, before eating, the vegetables must be washed in the water neatly. Okay, children? Thank you, children.